Hey friends, if you wish to crop an image to shape in Excel, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing, here's what you have to do. Open Excel, click on Insert, select Pictures, select this device, okay, go to Desktop or any other folder from where you wish to pick the picture. My picture is on Desktop, so pick the picture, click on Insert. Now we have this picture here. So to show it better, I will reduce its size, reduce the, what do we say, zooming of the, what do we say, page. Now you can see the picture clearly. So here's the thing, I wish to crop it to size. Click on the picture. Now the second you click on the picture, a picture format tab will appear. If you have clicked outside, it won't. If you click on the picture, it will. So when you're in the picture format tab, click on the downward pointing arrow associated with crop. Select crop to shape, and then there are a lot of basic shapes here like oval, triangle, or whatever. I can select oval, and it has been cropped into oval. If I wish to make it a circle, just make the height and what do we say, width same. So if I make it 8.3, you can see that it will become somewhat in the circular shape, where it will have more shapes. I think we will have the circle shape here. Circle is the most common shape, so we can try any shape that we want to. We can try this shape, we can try any shape. Okay, this one is my favorite, like if you wanted to say something to a person. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.